Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use an Afterpay gift card. Alright, so let's get right into it. It's a quick video. The first is through online purchases. So the first thing you want to do is add items to your carts on participating retailer website, and then select Afterpay as your payment method at checkout, and enter your Afterpay gift card details, including the gift card number and the PIN, and then apply the gift card balance to your purchase and complete the checkout process. That's pretty much it. Straightforward and simple. The second method is for in-store purchases. All right, so this is when you go to the stores to purchase directly, and the first thing you want to do is to inform the sales associate that you want to use an Afterpay gift card. Then you got to provide the sales associate with your Afterpay gift card details, and then that sales associate will apply the gift card balance to your purchase and complete the transaction. That's pretty much it. So there are some tips to note. First is to check your gift card balance before making a purchase. You got to make sure you have enough there to make that purchase, and use your gift card before the expiration date, because of course they expire and you got to make sure you use it. Otherwise that's just a big waste. And the third is you can combine your gift card with other payment methods such as credit or debit card. So in the case that you don't have enough money on the gift card, you could complete that with your credit card. So just to make sure you take advantage of that gift card, otherwise that would be a huge waste. That's pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you found that useful, please make sure to like the video, leave a comment down below, let me know what you thought about it, share the video, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.